It gives me immense pleasure to talk about the day's prominent personalities, our very own teachers. The light of the world, the beacon in the dark, and the hope that gives us the strength to survive our teachers. It is well known fact that every year we celebrate September 5th as a Teachers' Day in memory of Dr. S. Radhakrishnan, who was a teacher par excellence. A day kept aside to honor the gifted souls who work every day to make sure that the future is bright for all and acknowledge them with gratitude. Dear friends, let us recognize and appreciate all the teachers with a big round of applause wherever they are right now. On this beautiful occasion, let me take the opportunity to convey wishes to all our teachers who have given tremendous contributions in shaping us. A teacher is like God because God creates and teaches recreates. A teacher is a person of passion who molds the students. They bring the best out of the students. The teacher inspires them, guides them, directs them, shows them the way, and shows them the light. Teachers are the backbone of our society. As one looks at the significant impact on the growth, development, well-being of the student and nation, one must agree that teaching is a noble profession. There is a saying that teachers are second parents to a child. Parents give birth to a child, whereas teachers mold that child's personality and provide him or her a bright future. Apart from academics, teachers stand by us to guide, motivate, and inspire us to become better people. They are the source of knowledge and wisdom. From them sprouts the ideas and thoughts that one day each of us will give back into this society. There is a saying, a poor teacher tells and the ordinary teacher explains, the good teacher demonstrates and the great teacher inspires. Teachers can influence, impress, and lead a child through his or her tender years along the corridors of learning and down the pathways of life. They pursue visions, providing the model and showing by example how life is to be lived. They are ones who form, mold, and make children what they are meant to be. They touch the lives and change them for the better. They show them a vision, help them dream, and lead them to be bright and beautiful future. Teachers may touch our lives just once, but the magic lasts forever. The teaching profession is a vocation that holds the key to unlock the man's power and spirit of innumerable youth. It opens up and inspires an individual to soar to the heights of their potential and achieve the goals of a broad spectrum of careers that would promote human happiness and progress in society. Teachers are called an architect of a nation as they mold us to be ideal citizens of tomorrow. Dear sisters, dear teachers, as students, we have been sometimes tough to handle, but your individual attention has helped us learn from our mistakes and grow. Dear students, let us be always grateful to our teachers who never consider us less than their children while teaching and guiding. They inspire and motivate us wherever, whenever they are. They are the ones who prepare us to tackle the challenging situations in our life at an early stage with their knowledge and patience. Therefore, today, let us take time to pay honor and admire all their contribution in molding us what we are today. My dear teachers, we never forget you in our lives, wherever we are. We are very grateful for all your efforts. I wish you a very happy Teachers' Day. Thank you.